Okay, so we have seen one formula yesterday. We'll look at two formulas today. Anybody has any doubts regarding the formula that we have discussed? Has everyone followed limits? No doubts? Okay, so before going to the formula section, what we'll do is we'll have a look at this. Do you all know something called as rationalization? Now, what is this? Okay, so again, mark this as an important topic. What do we do over here? What is it exactly? Now, this has to be used. What is rationalization? I'll come to it. But when do we use rationalization? We use rationalization when we have square root sign, okay? We have square root sign. So we have square root sign in numerator or denominator, okay? Yeah. So like for example, and this has to be used for any kind of function. You can say algebraic function wherein we have x involved, or trigonometric function where we have cos and sine involved, okay? So you can use it for any function. So let's look at one example first. You have to find this is limit x tending to 0, 1 minus x. So what you all can do is you all can try to substitute 0 over here in the rough column, okay? So do this in the rough column, see what you are getting. Copy the question down, try to substitute 0 in place of x and see what you are getting. Are you getting the indiscriminate format, that is 0 by 0? Yes, so if you substitute 0 here, I assume you should get numerator as 0 and denominator obviously when you put 0 becomes 0 directly. Now, rationalization म्हणल्यार केन्ना use करप आणि कशें use करप? You can see square root signs over here, right? Square root sign. For the entire term also you can see. So this is when you will realize when you see such terms, okay, which has square root signs, either in the numerator or in the denominator, you realize that you have to use rationalization. Now, what is rationalization? Yeah, so you have to take, suppose I have now I'll just take an example here. Suppose I have a minus b, okay, and I have to rationalize it, okay? So, or maybe let me take this for a better understanding. So suppose I have, where's my, suppose I have square root of a minus square root of b. Okay. Then to rationalize it, what would I do is I would simply multiply and divide by the exact opposite. Okay. So I have to multiply and divide by square root of a, square root of b, you can't change. Okay. What you can change is this minus sign to plus. So you have to multiply and divide by the same term. Okay. So तशाच सपोज हांगा मदी साइन प्लस आशिल्ली जाल्यार ह्या साइडीन साइन ऑपोजिट जाता आनी खंयचीच साइन टच करप ना यू ओनली हॅव टू टच द साइन दॅट्स इन बिटवीन क्लियर स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ ए मायनस स्क्वेअर रूट ऑफ पी असल्यार प्लस आम्ही यूज करतात प्लस असल्यार मायनस यूज करतले सिंपल सो लेट्स गो ahead and we rationalize the numerator. So what do we do over here when we rationalize the numerator? Limit extending to 0. It's 1 minus x, 1 plus x. Ata. Again, you can compare this. Probably this is like a, and this is square root of a, square root of b, as I mentioned just now. Yeah. So what you will do, you will keep both the terms as it is. Square root of भितर आम्ही काही change करू शकना. Okay. What we can do is we can change the sign that's in between. So we can change this sign so that minus will become plus here. Okay. So whatever you are multiplying, the same thing needs to be divided by. Clear? Now, what do we do with this, or what is the use of doing this? I'll just erase this unnecessary things here. Yeah. So what do we do is we recall this formula. If anybody remembers, okay, otherwise we'll write this first. So it's this, I'm just writing it. Yeah. Now, what is to be done? You have to recall your formulas that you have learned in school. A minus B, A plus B. Yeah, so let's go ahead. Okay, so let us have a look at the numerator. This is like A minus B, A plus B. Yes. So what would it be? Limit extending to 0. A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square, right? So we are using it here. A is 1 square root of 1 minus x. Square root of barobar, that entire term is A. Yes. So square of this minus the other term. So what you have to do next is you have to simplify it. Denominator, I'll just write this on the next page. Yeah. So what do we get here is, I'll prefer writing the entire thing on the next page. So it's nothing but, is it, limit x tending to 0 square root of 1 minus x the whole square, that is a square minus b square. Okay, divide the entire thing with whatever is left in the denominator. Okay, okay, we multiplied with a plus. Okay, so when you square these things up, what do we get? We get square root and the square sign cancels jata, leaving us behind. See, the square root and square sign will get cancelled, right? Leaving us behind with 1 minus x minus 1 plus x. Now, see, when is your, what do we don't want 0 upon 0, right? So when will the denominator become 0? What term is making the denominator 0? You can see this is what is making the denominator 0. Yes. So I have to figure out some way to make this, to cancel it out, right? So what do? Is I just open the bracket after rationalization. I hope the rationalization process is clear to everyone. Yes. So they ask at least one question, at least one. Yeah, they ask one question on rationalization usually. Okay. So please make sure that you understand rationalization. Let's go ahead. So when we open this bracket up, what do we get is, this minus sign multiplies inside. So minus 1 minus x. So let's just write what we get here. 1 minus 1. So cancel zalo. Minus 2x urta numerator and denominator x in this entire term. Yeah. 1 plus x. What do we have to do? We have to cancel things. We have to cancel this x. So once this x is gone, the main culprit is gone, which is making the denominator 0. Now what is your task? Put x equal to 0. Put this, substitute this in place of x. So minus 2 upon, I'll just write this on the next screen otherwise. So the answer would be, at the, see, those people who were writing, yeah, what happened? Yes.
ती पेज मातशी ओपन कर पयली.
Yeah.
बरोबर येता.
Yeah. Is this thing clear to everyone? That's more important. The notes would be sent to you all later. That's not a big deal. So you'll just substitute in place of x and tell me what you get. Minus 1 as the answer. Do you all get minus 1 as the answer? Anyone?
Done, miss.
Done. Okay. So what do I get is, the one thing to notice is, see, I have x everywhere, so I have not skipped writing this limit. Okay. In my next step, where I will be substituting instead of x. Okay. It's this, no? Yes. Where I'm substituting instead of x, I'm not writing any limit here. You can see that there is no limit written here. So the denominator is 2, that gives you -1 is the answer. If you all have followed this, please solve the next question that I'll be giving. If not, let me know. So the next question is this. So if you all have followed this, try to substitute and solve. I hope everyone followed this and everyone understood how to write this. Yeah, so
Yes.
yes,
रूट 2 हा बरा त्या व्हॅल्यू किती घ्यावा x चा तो x घ्या मी
x असा हांगा रूट 2 च्या जाग्यार x ना
ना
न्ही.
ना
ओके,
डायरेक्ट घ्या
डायरेक्ट घ्या. It's tending to 1. If you all want, you can put 1 over here and see what you are getting. Okay, substitute this and check what's happening. Okay, you need not write it. Okay, first lecture जेन्ना आमचो ऑनलाईन आशिल्लो तुम्ही 0/0 काढून थंयच सोडलेलो. That is not what is important. 0/0 येता ते आम्ही जाणा. Okay, 0/0 येता ते आम्ही जाणाच. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to check it in the rough column probably. So let's see what happens here. Now, ये minus sign असा देखा opposite घेऊन जाय आमका. Yeah. So that is what is rationalization. So I write it from here, limit extending to 1 plus 1 minus same term with opposite sign. Simple. Okay. X na answer. Okay. So you don't have to put any value for X. Now, again, what is A and what is B? This entire term is A minus B, right? This is B. This is A plus B. So let's
Is 0 by 0 आहे answer.
ज्यांना तुम्ही सबस्टिट्यूट करता त्यांना त्याच्या उपरांत रॅशनलाइज केल्या उपरांत तशा जाता 0 by 0 येता आन्सर.
0 by 0.
Right. Okay, let me just see. So this the whole square minus square root of 2 the whole square, right? Yes. Now, I don't think it is 0 by 0. I have, should I switch to the next screen, next page? Okay, I'll switch to the next page. So x plus 1 square and the square root sign cancel jata, right? There is x minus 1 here. It's this, no? Now, who's the culprit? How do I know who's the culprit that is making the denominator 0? Hanga x tending to 1 asa payat limita pana. Taka equal to galat best. Okay. And get this on this side. So x minus 1. This one is the culprit. This is making your terms 0. Okay. So you have to get rid of that culprit. I'll just look at the numerator. X minus 1. If you open it, the culprit is there in the numerator. The culprit is there in the denominator. What you will do with it? You'll just cancel it out. Cancel it out. Done. So whatever is left, you'll just substitute. So x ajal again 1 itla. So 1 upon square root of 2 plus square root of 2. That's 1 by. It's not 0 by 0. So the one who was getting 0 by 0, please check it again. Okay. Suppose तुम्ही हांगा sign कितेतरी गडबड केल्या आसतली म्हणून ताका तो denominator 0 मेळटा. Okay. So please go through it again.
Teacher the -2 खंय वयता?
खंयचे -2 हे
हय
numerator.
हय.
See, x plus 1 minus 2. What is it? X minus 1 ni? Plus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 झालं ना? Followed? 1 minus 2. This part. I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Yes, I write it here. If you have not followed, I'll just open the bracket up. So when I open the bracket up, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So that's how I get x minus 1, and that's written here. I hope everyone else is understanding. So shall I give you one more question? Here you have to rationalize the. Okay, so this is for you all. Tell me what you have to rationalize. हांगा स्क्वेअर रूट साइन खंय येता न्यूमरेटरान काय डिनॉमिनेटरान आणि रॅशनलाइज कित्याक करपाक जाय न्यूमरेटर काय डिनॉमिनेटर
मिस आवाज येना
I'm not talking anything. I'm asking you what y'all would do. Yo, tell me. I'm not saying anything.
न्हिदलेलो रे
Rationalize कितें करप? Numerator काय denominator?
Denominator.
Yes, rationalize the denominator. Yeah. So, हांगा तुमकां मातशे फॉर्म्युलाज जे तुमी 10थान शिकलेले ते यूज जाय याद दवरपाक जाय रिवायज करचें पडटलें तुमकां ओके एक तर ट्रिग्नोमेट्रीचे इजिएस्ट फॉर्म्युलाज ओके नॉट एनी डिफिकल्ट फॉर्म्युला सो x स्क्वेअर प्लस 7 प्लस 4 खंयची सायन चेंज जाता ते पळय आतां तुमी हो एक टर्म जालो हो दुसरो टर्म जालो तांच्या मदली सायन चेंज जातली ओके same way here. Here. Okay. So आता a minus b, a plus b formula denominator and apply जातलो आमचो. Again, one more thing. Every time you need not substitute the limit and check whether you are getting the 0 by 0 format. Okay. You are getting that format or you are getting the direct answer. That's the reason the question is given to you.
टीचर फाटल्या मातशे पेजीर पळय दाखयता
Yeah. Yeah. You were not getting the answer, Aryan?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, students, I guess due to the Zoom, there's no policy of 40 minutes. The meeting might end right now, okay, maybe in few seconds. You all can use the same link or I'll send the other link to join again, okay? So you all can just solve this.